Oh, don't get scared. Sorry for all this extra protection I'm trying to do. You know what situation we find ourselves in right now. So a minute, let me do my white balance. Okay, so I was supposed to buy one of the Lumix X series. I haven't decided which of the two, whether to buy the S1 or S1H. But in the meantime, since I'm waiting for this coronavirus issue to go down, I decided to go for my big camera because I need two cameras for what I'm actually doing. So in the meantime, I hadn't decided which camera I should go for. I was thinking maybe I should go for the GH5 or the Sony A6400, which is actually what I decided on going for. So before this video goes to an end, you get to find out why I went for this Sony A6400, which you're about to witness the unboxing right now. So wait a minute while I pick up the scissors and continue with the unboxing. Here we go. A6400, the camera I got after selling the almighty A7 Mark III, but there's a reason for that, so let me explain real quick. I saw the A7 Mark III because I wanted to get one of the Panasonic's S series, but after watching various reviews on the S1 and S1H, I got a little bit skeptical about autofocus and decided that since I wanted a second camera anyway, the second camera should have a strong autofocus system that would complement the weakness of my main camera. Of course, the A7 Mark III, which I own, was a perfect complementary candidate I could think of, but I needed some money to finance my buying the new gear because I was on budget, so I needed to buy something cheap. I needed to buy something cheaper after selling the A7 Mark III, something that had a similar attribute to the A7 Mark III, and I think either the GH5 or the A6400. Honestly, the GH5 is very good. The autofocus system has come a long way and the image quality is arguably as good or even better. The word is arguably even better than that of the A7 Mark III. Even though I wanted the S1H, there's this part of me that wants to stay with Sony, and we can all agree that the A6400 is as good as the A7 Mark III, and it has something that the A7 Mark III doesn't have. So let's find out by opening the box. Okay. Some few documents that will be of use later in the future. Some cables. A USB to a micro USB for charging the battery directly in the camera. And then an adapter, I think. It works this way. Yeah. So this part goes into the electrical socket and you plug this part into the USB port in the camera. What else do we have? We have the camera strap, the eye cup for the viewfinder. Okay. Let's set that aside. And this is the battery, MPFW50, yeah. MPFW50. And then the big boy himself. Let me set this aside. Yup. Ooh. Super clean. So it has the screen that opens this way and then goes this way. It can go down and then go up, which is what differentiates it from the other series of the Sony mirrorless cameras. I like it. it feels kind of light. Compared to the A7 Mark III, it feels light. I can do this all day without feeling anything. I like the grip. Very okay for my little hand. Okay, so let me turn it on and dial in my settings real quick. Raw. Nothing. Meter mode to center for now. Nothing. Turn on the picking display for manual focusing. Right, okay. Fast, responsive, audio on. With this off, I can't record by pressing the shutter button, so I will turn it on. So now I can start recording a video by pressing my shutter button in movie mode, especially when I'm vlogging. Okay. Manual. On. Okay. Okay. With the exposure guide on, when you change your f-stop, the histogram disappears too. You can see if you are under or overexposed. So off. Alright. Yeah, other custom settings I did off camera, so I wouldn't delay that much. Whoa. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and let me leave you so I can go try out my new camera. Until my next video, peace. This thing is fast. Wow. Okay, nice feeling. Whoa, let's see how long it takes to focus.